Hey, it's Andrew from Wild Earth. I've been fortunate enough to get my hands on a brand new Jetboil. That's right, Jetboil's upgrading their fast boil cooking systems with the new Flash, the new Zip and the new Java systems. So I've had my old Jetboil now for nearly 10 years and absolutely love it. It's got to be one of my favorite camping and hiking accessories. It's just so simple, compact and easy to use, and there really is nothing better than a hot drink or a hot meal when you're out of country. So when I first heard that Jetboil was upgrading their systems, I couldn't wait to get my hands on one to test it out against the Old Faithful. Something that I already thought was perfect. Can it really be any better? Stick around and we'll find out. So before we put these two to the test, we'll first talk about a few specs. So the original Jetboil comes in at 427 grams, whereas the new Jetboil comes in at 397 grams. So that includes the pot, the burner, the lid, the thermochromatic sleeve, and the cap at the bottom. So there are a few differences with the burners. The original burner comes with a 4500 BTU powered burner. It has a twist throttle and a push button ignition. Whereas the new burner comes with a 5300 BTU powered burner. It's got a twist and click ignition and lighter at the same time. It also comes with rubberized grips, which make it comfortable, but also protects it from any burns when holding onto the cup. So some similarities between the two versions. Both versions have a thermochromatic heat indicator on the protective sleeve, so it lights up orange when the water's boiled and ready to use. They both have an integrated protector which works as a bowl or a measuring cup to protect the patented flux ring system, which is the secret behind the fast boil. They also have an integrated pouring spout, and on the new version a strainer in the lid. But the beauty is all of the components, including the gas bottle, the tripod leg for the gas bottle, and the burner, can fit neatly into the pot when you're ready to take it out. So according to Jetboil, the original Jetboil takes 150 seconds or 2.5 minutes to boil, whereas the new Jetboil boils it in a faster 120 seconds. So let's put it to the test. So let's put the original Jetboil to the test first. It's been filled with 500 mils or 2 cups of room temperature water. We'll start the igniter and start the stopwatch at the same time and time how long it takes to heat up the thermochromatic indicator. So ignition on, start. And it's there. So as you can see, 2 minutes 33, so that's pretty close to what Jetboil specify on their website. So now time to test out the new Jetboil. Same thing, we've got 500 mils or 2 cups of room temperature water. We've got our timer ready. So and we're nearly there. And stop. So 2 minutes and 7. So again, that's pretty close to the 2 minutes that Jetboil specify on their website. So there you have it, about a 25-second difference between the two. So the verdict: the new Jetboil Flash is the definite winner. It's lighter in weight, it has a faster boil time, and a few other cool new features which just make life a little bit easier. If you're getting into hiking or camping, or just looking to upgrade your cooking system, check out Wild Earth to get your new Jetboil Flash today.